Good morning, students. Welcome to the literature class. And take your literature book and open page number 129. Today I am going to discuss on the exercise number C. Answer these questions. This short video is for all those who are not able to find the answer of the questions that are here in the book. Only towards the end there is a question you will not find, otherwise all are quite easy, but many are since not finding. So I would like to discuss one by one. Number one, what tells us that the giant was selfish? The heading is the selfish giant. But what is the nature? What are the things that you see in the giant that shows that he was a selfish? He was a selfish. You will find this on the answer is on page number 122-23. At the end you see, when he arrived from his friend, he had gone to visit his friend and he spent 7 years conversing with him. And so when he arrived, when he came back, he saw the children playing in the garden. Simply going up on the trees, climbing on the trees, running around, all that they were doing. And so he got angry. So with a loud voice, with an angry voice, he said, "This is my garden," said the giant. "I will not allow anybody to play in it but myself." And so he built a tall wall, the high walls he built around the garden and put a notice board. Notice board. What was the notice board? Trespassers will be persecuted. This shows that he was selfish. Did you understand? Now, you write this in your own sentences. Don't exactly copy to what is written, except maybe the trespassers will be persecuted. Okay, fine enough. Next question. Next question is, who was happy when the spring did not return to the giant's garden? Who was happy? The winter was happy when the spring did not return to giant's garden. Why? So that he will have his friend. Winter will have his friend. Who are there? His friends? Frost, snow, north wind were the friends of winter. Okay? And he was happy when the spring was not coming. Please write it down. You will find this in the book. Number 3. Why did the beautiful flower slip back into the ground? This beautiful flower, one day he tried to come up, blossom. But when he saw the notice board, what was the notice board? Trespassers are persecuted. Are to be persecuted here. Exactly same you can write. And seeing that even the blossoming flower slipped back to the ground. Again, went back. So you see that. So here it is. Okay. Next one. Next one. It is very easy. Next one. Yesterday also we have discussed this. Next one. Do you think the autumn was right in not giving the giant's garden any fruit? Yes, he was right, because he was selfish. He was showing selfish. Okay, because of his selfishness, even the autumn did not give fruit in the garden. But as soon as the child was put on the tree, giant himself put the child, small child, on the tree, and then everything started coming up. That you see. Next one, number 5. What did the giant see on one morning when he heard the linnet singing? Linnet singing, there was a band. He was singing. What did he see? Children playing in the garden. So, what did he see? See that on page yes, on page 125. On page 125. One morning, the giant was lying awake in the bed when he heard some music. One music. It sounded so sweet to this, and then through it, he thought, oh, it must be the king's musician passing that. So that is the little linnet singing. It was really only a little linnet singing outside his window, but it was so long since he had heard a bird singing in the garden that seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. Okay, this is what he said. This is what he said. He seemed. What did he see? He saw that wonderful sight. All that. What did he see? After that, when all singing was done, he came to the garden and he saw that all the children are inside the garden and on the tree, and all spring is coming, and so he was happy. See on page number 124, the second paragraph. Okay, please see that. Next. When did the giant realize that he had been selfish? When he put as soon as he put the little child, then he says, how selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put that poor little boy on that. See that, this paragraph. Okay, 125 page. Last but one paragraph. Last but one paragraph. Second last. Next one. You should work little more. Let me go a little faster. Now, how was the spring brought back into the giant's garden? Yes, the same answer. That little children coming, linnet singing and all that. How did the giant move from being selfish to being loving? The same answer once again. Comment on the ending of the story. How did the story end? I have told the story of Jesus. As a small boy, in his hand there was a wound, and he says, this wound is of love. Today I am going to take you to my paradise. That is, that your time has come. I am taking you. So Jesus came and took, in the form of child, Jesus came and took the selfish giant from the world, from his garden to the paradise, big garden. Okay, so that is the end of this story. That's how, yes, you see here, last paragraph of this lesson. You also need to read and take down. Okay, so it is not that every answer. Now I have just told you, make your own answer in your own words. Okay, keep learning. Be safe. Thank you.